All right, guys, we got a 2018 Chrysler 300 V6, as you guys can see, all black. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. Factory converter. Then it wires into a single there. Then he brought his own BIGBOZ exhaust. They call it the BIGBOZ 4. Here's the part number. Here it is. It's called BIGBOZ 4. There'll be a link in the description, and you can also purchase it on our website at exhaustaddicts.com. Can purchase it, get it delivered, and pick up some merch while you're down there. We really appreciate it if you guys can. But here it is, BIGBOZ in the center. Then it wires back out, and we did a rear resonator delete on each side, as you guys can see there and there. And then he brought his own LCGP tips, part number right there. And there's the tips right there. Also, they're available on our website at exhaustaddicts.com, and there'll be links in the description to our website. You got the new updated diffuser, which is clean and nice. Carbon fiber, as you guys can see. Came out nice. But there it is. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And here's the muffler that was on it. I don't know where they did with the resonators. I think they threw them away already. Here it is. Stay tuned, guys. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Ready? Chrysler 300 with BIGBOZ mid, rear delete, and 3.5-inch tips. Here we go. Go ahead. Here's idle. That's sound decibels. Go ahead. Rev that. You like it? Yeah. Got a thumbs up? Yes, sir. Oh, that's clean. BIGBOZ, you guys done it again. It sounds phenomenal. Wow. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Oh, hit 114. That's insane. And remember, it's got stock cats on it too. Again? That's clean. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. 3560 Dickerson Pike. Here's our phone number. This is our beautiful shop, guys. Come say hello or give us a call if you need anything. That sounds so clean. It sounds different than the Challengers even. Wow, I like that sound. I really do. Again? It's like no rasp whatsoever. It's just like almost like a race car sound. Again? I'm impressed. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here we go. Chrysler 300 V6 with BIGBOZ mid, rear delete, and tips. He's got a cold air intake, so it's helping him make sound better too. I love the sound of that. That is one of the best sounding V6s I've heard in a while. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. That's amazing.